Leader of the Miyetti Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, Makban Abdullahi Bello Bodejo, in his recent utterance countered the resolution of the Southern Governors Forum on ban on open grazing in their zones. Bodejo, in a recent interview, had ordered his members to ignore the ban, a situation which the Igbo youth under the aegis of the Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, the apex socio-political youth group in their Southeast geopolitical zone, has described as incitement capable of causing a breach of the law. To this end, the Igbo youth have therefore implored the Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Alkali, to immediately arrest the Miyetti Allah's leader in accordance with the law to serve as deterrent to others plunging the nation to crisis. The youth group, in their statement on Sunday, signed by the President General and Secretary respectively, Goodluck Ebem and Canis Igwe, stated thus: "We call on the Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Alkali Baba, to arrest him for flagrant disobedience of the law and inciting his members to cause mayhem and breach of peace in the southern part of the country."